While Kenya's Deputy President William Ruto pleaded innocent on Tuesday to crimes against humanity charges at the International Criminal Court, his trial is likely to test the stability of Kenya, which is seen as vital to East Africa's security. Rival members of the Kikuyu and Kalenjin tribes, wielding machetes, knives and bows and arrows, went on the rampage after a disputed 2007 election, killing more than 1,200 people and driving hundreds of thousands from their homes. Mr. Ruto and journalist Joshua Arap Sang are charged with co-orchestrating post-election violence 5 years ago.
Not guilty. Not guilty, Your Honor.
Both pleaded not guilty to all counts. The cases are also seen as a major test for prosecutors at the decade-old Hague-based ICC, who have had a low success rate and face accusations of focusing on African countries while avoiding war crimes in other global hotspots.
Who is responsible for the violence? The prosecution asserts that the two accused, Mr. William Ruto and Mr. Joshua Arap Sang, are among the most responsible for the crimes of murder, of persecution, and deportation that occurred in the Rift Valley. The prosecution will demonstrate that Mr. Ruto and his syndicate of powerful allies, including his co-accused, Mr. Sang, sought to exploit the historical tensions between Kalenjin and Kikuyu for their own political and personal ends.
The prosecutor also said that the crimes against Ruto and Sang were not random and spontaneous, but carefully planned and executed. Back in Kenya, hundreds of victims of Kenya's 2007 and 2008 post-election violence gathered to watch live proceedings at the International Criminal Court. Some think the trials are a positive step to deter future atrocities.
After this, we may never see violence again, because obviously somebody somewhere must have been responsible. If he's caught, well and good. If he's not, I believe a step has been taken in the right direction, and everybody knows now that impunity cannot be a part of our menu.
Well, Kenya's parliament has voted to withdraw from the International Court's jurisdiction, but prosecutors say even if Kenya does quit the court, trials already underway will continue.